All right, guys, so this is what's happened, all right? As you know, this is part 2 of the video. The video froze, so I had to start to part 2, which is fine. So what I've done so far is I've taken the zucchini that I have cut up already in these pieces, and I have put them all in here, and they're all cut up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take them over to the stove and put them into the pot. So follow me over to the stove. Alright, so this is what's happening. So on the stove already I have a pot. Now you want to make sure you have a pot big enough to hold the zucchini that you cut up. So if you only got 1 or 2 zucchinis, don't use a big pot like this, okay? I'm using a big pot because I have already cut up a lot of zucchini for the zucchini candy that we're making, okay? My family loves it, so it's not going to last long. Anyway, you take your pot, and what you want to do with your pot is you want to put in a little bit of water. I would say from the bottom of the pot, and you guys are going to have to work with me, bear with me, because I am not great with measurement. I am one of those people who cook by taste and sight, okay? So I would put about an inch worth, about this much water in the bottom of the pot, and then you just let that go ahead and start boiling. At that point, once it starts to boil, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and add your water. Now, I like to use distilled water or spring water. So you put that in your pot and you let that start boiling. So if the camera can see in the pot, you'll see what's happening in there now is that the zucchini is starting to turn the color of whatever flavor you decide to use. So remember, we're using tropical punch, which is red, and so this is what's happening with the zucchini. So I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of this zucchini right into the pot. And the thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the zucchini is not soft, like mushy. But you do want it to get to the point where it's just starting to cook a little bit and it's softening up, okay? That's very important because when you go to put it on your tray and your dehydrator, you don't want it to be so mushy that it's falling through, okay? So this will be part 2 of what it's supposed to look like. Now listen, I will be coming back to you in a moment after this finishes simmering down, and then we'll go on to step 3, all right? Be right back.